Valmiki ji now, he is giving so much of Tattva Gyan, knowledge. Each chopai is filled with it. He says, Maharaj, your body is Chidanandamaya. Your body is divine. See, our body is made from Rajvirya, the ovum and the sperm. It is made from mud. Now, of course, if, it seems very attractive, chikna chupra, with all the makeup. And if we say, all this body of yours is mud and the ornaments, diamonds are also mud, how insulting. But that's the reality of it. The mud transforms into food. The food we ingest, it gets converted ras, rakt, mans, meda, haddi, majja. So our body is made of mud. God's body is not like that. After we become God realized, on leaving this material world, when we go to the abode of God, we will then get a divine body. That will also be Chit body, not made of mud, but there will be a difference. The difference between the soul and the body will remain. In the case of God, Deha Dehi Vibhoedoyam Neshvare Vidyate Kachit. The Narad Pancharatra says, God is himself his body. Deha Dehi Bhidhaschaiva Nanyaschaiva Kadachana. He himself becomes his body. That is the body of Lord Ram. However, when he descends, he does a whole lot of trickery. That divine body of his doesn't have any bones, etc. like ours. It doesn't have any fire of digestion, Jatharagni and so on. Yet, for the pleasure of the devotees, Bhakta Hetu Bhagavan Prabhu, he is eating. He is going for his morning ablutions, his excreta, etc. Now the people with the intellect come. This is Ram? Yes. He is God? Yes. He eats food? Yes. He goes to toilet as well? Yes. What kind of God is he? This is the jokery. The Lord hides his originality when he descends into the world. And there's great magic in his body as well. Jaki rahi bhavana jaisi. People see it, they perceive its divinity to the extent of their spiritual elevation. So he is saying here, ki Chidanandamaya Deha Tumhari. Those who are adhikari eligible, they immediately recognize, this is God. And others say, attractive person. Somebody else says, he's just like me, common man. Everybody is seeing Ram differently. Look what happened when Ram went to Janakpur. After he had killed Taraka and Subahu, Vishwamitra gave him the choice. Either we can go back, or else there is a Dhanur Yagya taking place in Janakpur. We can do Padyatra there. Ram chose the Padyatra. Some people say he set the tradition for Padyatras. On the way, he liberated Ahilya from that stone yoni. And they reached the Amra Vatika garden outside the city of Janakpur. So Janak came to know that Mahamuni Vishwamitra has arrived with two Rajkumars and he has taken residence outside. Janak, with the idea of respecting this sage, went there. And he also wanted to invite him to his palace. So Janak, we have discussed, was so detached. He has no attachment whatsoever. The same Janak came and he looked at Ram and Lakshman. Murati Madhura Manohara Vekhi Bhaya Videha, Videha Viseshi. Videha Raj became doubly Videha. Inahi vilokata ati anuraga barbasa brahma sukhahi manatyaga. Janak is anurakt. See, one is attached, one is deeply attached, and one is ati anurakt, completely head over heels infatuated. That is what has happened to Janak. So Janak is wondering, what happened? Where did my virakta state go now? So Janak analyzes. Sahaja viraga rupa manamora thakita hota jimi chandra chakora. I am so detached, I don't need to withdraw my mind. Don't think of rasgullas, don't think of rasgullas. That's the drama we people do. In the case of Janak, there is no question, the mind is right here. But I have got attached to these two Rajkumars. What's going on? So now Janak thinks, Brahma jo nigama neti kahi gava ubhaya rupa dhari ki soi ava. Is it the Brahma I used to worship as the formless has descended in his personal form? You have got it. Janak is the adhikari that Valmiki ji is talking about. So the Chidanandamaya Day has come in his comprehension. Now what happens? Look, on Janak's request, Vishwamitra said, I am fine in the forest. Janak said, you have these Rajkumars with you, at least for their convenience. Please come, Maharaj. They came and took residence. So Ram thought that there are all Gyanis in Mithila, all worshippers of the formless. Let me show them the power of God's personal form. So he asked Vishwamitra, Gurudev, if you don't mind, can we go and see this city? Vishwamitra said, yes, yes, do go. So Ram and Lakshman started walking around Janakpur. And the Janakpur Vasis, these Gyanis, they are all looking and getting stunned. Hey, look, have you seen that Rajkumar? That bluish complexion? The other said, after looking at him, I can't look at anything else. So one lady says, I wish he breaks the bow tomorrow. Our Sita will get married to him. So the other says, but he doesn't seem so strong. Why did Janak make this vow that you have to break the bow to marry Sita? I wish he had not made the vow. And the third one says, supposing he breaks it and Janak had not made the vow, then what? The fourth one says, let us all pray to God. If he marries Sita, whenever he comes to Sasural, the in-laws' place, we'll have his darshan again. Lord Ram has inundated the residents of Janakpur in Bhakti Ras.